Asset presents this Airbus helicopter's EC135T2+, serial number 0630. With over 1,300 aircraft in operation, the EC135 from Airbus Helicopters remains top of its class. Since it first delivered, the EC135 has logged over 4.5 million flight hours. It is known for its compact build, reliable systems, large cabin volume, and low acoustic and carbon footprint. Powered by Safran's updated Arias 2B2 engines, the EC135 is the go-to aircraft for more than 300 civil and parapublic operators worldwide. Serial number 0630 is equipped with a single and dual pilot IFR-certified MEGHAS flight control display system with autopilot, allowing safe operation in low visibility environments. Operational safety is further enhanced by a Fenestron enclosed tail rotor. The Aerolite EMS interior accommodates one stretcher alongside one aft-facing and one forward-facing passenger seats. Serial number 0630 is maintained with diligence and care by an Airbus-approved service center. It is hangared in Albertville, France, a short drive from Geneva and Lyon international airports. Airbus Helicopters EC135T2+, serial number 0630, presented by Aero Asset.